This unique project is executed for world's largest clock manufacturer. Not only this is the first commissioned and operational row-based tracker in the state of Gujarat under 180 wind zone, but this is the highest energy generating project across India. This project is developed with completely made in India solar module mounting structures and trackers which are designed and tested with boundary layer wind tunnel validation, for which the engineering optimization and bankability has been reviewed by Black & Which USA, also adhering to the highest global standards of AISI 2016 Euro codes and the toughest UL and IEC standards prevalent in the entire industry. This project is deployed with completely waterless robotic cleaners which help save more than 25,000 liters of water per month basis. The robotic cleaner uses unique air wash technology which completely avoids the usage of water throughout the lifetime of the project, making this project produce more than 5% of energy or power on per year basis more compared to any other project, and optimizing the O&M cost at its lowest possible in the industry. On many a days, this project has produced more than 8,500 units of electricity per day per megawatt, which is translating to more than 35% of the CUF, which is still unheard of across India. For a developer who invests in such projects, such generation means the lowest levelized cost of energy, that is the LCOE, in the entire industry, which means that this project is producing electricity via solar at the lowest cost, delivering green electrons to the developers at a cost he can be proud of. Operating currently across 8 countries and 3 continents, we at Euron are delivering the green electrons to power the world's fastest growing economies in the urban, rural as well as the remote areas with huge geographic and demographic diversities. We at Euron are heading towards creating a world that would run entirely on green energy.
As nations seek to recover and restore economies in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, India's fastest growing clean energy revolution can offer lessons learned for economies looking to achieve a green recovery which maximizes economic, health and environmental benefits. In challenging times like these, an investment in clean energy can help increase energy access and supply, create jobs and foster economic growth, improving climate and air quality, providing health benefits which we surely need now than we ever did before.
So, Gujarat being known as a solar state of India, owing to the various previous and prevailing policies of Gujarat Solar, the potential as we see should be somewhere around 8 to 10 gigawatts by 2022 in the rooftop segment. LONGi was selected basis their technical strength and product performance indicators. Being one of the largest PV module manufacturers, they have managed to achieve the lowest LETID and PID parameters across the globe and industry. It has the lowest part per million warranty claim ratio across the globe. One of the 3 companies worldwide to clear all the life cycle tests in performance and quality. We are very proud to have LONGi as our partner for this wonderful plant that we've created. We are very excited as Euron is executing India's largest rooftop project based on bifacial technology, and the proud partner to be is LONGi.